Yeah, we want to visualize with this trial how a dipole antenna works. You know that in each biresonance according to Paul-Schmidt device is integrated a dipole antenna system. And I can show to you this dipole antenna system here in this Ryocomp PS10. I will open the device so that I can show it to you. And you can see here in the middle the dipole antenna system of this Ryocomp PS10. The layer, the upper layer, can be turned here in this way. You can see that, so that we can change the angle to the layer which is under this dipole antenna system. Yeah, and the electronic you can see here or here is not for producing the frequencies. This is only to run the device, for example, to run the display, to run the keyboard, to run the green card, to run the polarizer, and so on, but not to produce the frequencies. This system has a different way of working, and I want to visualize this with another trial. Lucky-wise, a dipole antenna is very often used in the world for transmitting and for absorbing frequencies. And therefore, on universities and when we have courses for students in physics, the dipole antenna is very often used because there is especially a good possibility to find or to calculate from the Maxwell equation down to the working of a dipole antenna. So that this is, from the mathematical point of view, really complex, yes, but with this example I can show to you how a dipole antenna is really working. Yeah, and we have here this dipole antenna, yeah, and we have here a connection to this bulb, and when here on this dipole antenna, when this dipole antenna is absorbing the frequency, and this frequency is strong enough, then, and the reason for that is that the bulb is very slow, yes, in the reaction, and therefore we can absorb the frequencies and give the energy to the bulb. And in case that this trial will work, we can see the bulb is flashing. Okay, I will try this. I have here a generator of frequencies, and when I'm switching on this generator, you can see here directly that the bulb is flashing, and in regards to the angle I'm using, you can see it is flashing or not. Yeah, that is the way how a dipole antenna system in this case can emit or absorb frequencies. Yeah, and in case that we are changing here, or that I'm using this bulb here, and I will try this with the PS10. Hopefully it will work directly. The frequency is here also absorbed and can be shown then here with this small bulb. I will switch on the generator and we'll connect this here. And when I'm going here on top, you can see here that the bulb is really flashing. That means that this dipole antenna system of the PS10 can absorb the frequencies. Yeah, and with this example we can show that the dipole antenna system is really able to emit frequencies which we are giving here to this plate, going to the outputs via the cable and the detector. We can stimulate then with these frequencies coming from the PS10 the body of humans or of animals.